everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today's video is kind of a sneak peek type video. We have the December box of Good Vibes Scribe, and I think it always comes in the cutest box. I think last month it was green, but now we've got some blue and pink going on. And on the back it says Happy Holiday. Since it is the December box, that makes sense. So if you do not know what Good Vibes Scribe is and you missed my past videos, Good Vibes Scribe is like a lifestyle subscription. So you get goods, they're supposed to like send you good vibes, you know, and I'm all about the positive vibes, so I love their message. You get items that are from like local artisans and stuff. They're handmade, they all have a story behind them. It's really great. Normally you get 5 items in each box, but the December box is special. You get 6 items. And they're also providing me with a promo code that gives you a free gift. So not only are you going to get an extra item, you're going to get another extra item. So you'll get 7 items in your box if you use that code, which I will leave down below. Good Vibes Scribe is available through Cratejoy, and it costs $31.50 a month, and it does ship worldwide from the US. So yeah, I'm going to link down below their website and the promo code. I think that is a great deal. Something new this month with Good Vibes Scribe too is that they're now offering gifting options. So if you want to send this to a loved one, they have options to send it as a gift. So I think that is really great and very timely since the holiday season is upon us. But anyways, I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's get started. But first, I want to remind you that I have giveaways going on. At the time I'm posting this video, I should actually have 3 videos. So, I mean 3 giveaways. 2 are ending pretty soon, and 1 is ending December 4th. If you're curious about the necklace I'm wearing, the 3rd giveaway going on is included in this. It has to do with this. I won't even talk anymore about it because this video is about Good Vibes Scribe, but that link will be down below. So yeah, now let's get started on Good Vibes Scribe. I want to get this open and see the goods. Ooh. Very nice presentation when you first open up the box. Actually, it says something. It says, "Hey girl, we hope you love your box of good vibes as much as we do. Go ahead and share the love. Feeling photogenic? Take a picture or a selfie with your box and all your goodies. Share your picture on social media and tag us. Make sure you're following us on social media to stay up to date. And if you refer a friend, you get a free gift." So that's cool. They have a referral program. And then on top we have the little pamphlet that comes with it that talks about the items inside. And I just got a whiff, I think, of like peppermint. I don't know, we'll find out soon. But anyways, it says, "Good Vibes Scribe, sending you good vibes only. December 2019 featured products overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you have just received." And then inside, it gives like at least a paragraph about each item, so that is cool. So I will just leave this next to me to refer throughout the unboxing. Oh, and I forgot to mention you need to order this box by November 30th. And if you do that, you'll definitely get it in time for Christmas if that's important to you. But let's start. The first thing I see, let's do this. This looks like it might be like a headband for this cold weather. Let's get this out of the bag. Yes. Oh, and it's so cute. Oh, it feels like it'd be really warm. So this is perfect for a December box. So if you're somewhere with cold weather, you can wear this headband that looks cute and keeps your ears warm. I hate it. In Chicago, my ears would get like so red and like painful if I didn't have something like this with me. It feels so nice and soft too. Let's learn more about this item. This is the Leto Rolled Bow Knit Headband. Leto Accessories of Los Angeles, California specializes in bohemian style bralettes and accessories. Founded in 2011 by a family of 4, Leto has become a premier brand that focuses on trendiness and high-quality fashion goods. Keep warm and tame those flyaways on a windy day with this gorgeous headband in ivory or rose. So obviously I got mine in ivory. This simple, unique, cozy, and comfortable accessory is just in time for winter. And that's so true. That's very appropriate for a December box. Next, what is this? Oh, cool. This is Happy Wax Outlet Plug-in Wax Warmer featuring no scrape silicone melting dish, plugs into any standard 3-prong outlet. This is so funny. I recently was thinking how like I have a lot of things, but I'm like, I don't have any wax warmers. And then just like sending those thoughts out into the universe, now I have 3. So I may gift this one since I already have 2, but this one's super cute. So looks like there's like gummy bears on it or something. So melting made easy with the Happy Wax No Scrape silicone melting dish. You add wax melts, power on, and enjoy. When fragrance fades, turn off and allow the wax to harden. Rinse and repeat. Oh, so is this one you plug in? My other ones need tea lights. Maybe I will use this one. Because I mean, tea lights are inexpensive, but I only have a couple left. Let's see what it looks like. I love stuff like this. I'm all about like fragrances. Like I love candles, wax melts, essential oils, all of that. I think a good smelling home is a great home. Oh, this is perfect for the holidays too. Oh man, you plug it into the outlet. I didn't realize it at first. Okay, I know I mentioned maybe I give it away, but this is all mine. This is so cute. I love that it plugs in and there's just like an on-off switch right here. And then here's the little silicone top. So you put this on so you can easily clean out the wax too. Yeah, this might be my favorite of the warmers I've received in recent time. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. You just place it right on top. So then when you're done, or when your wax melt's done, you can just take it out, clean it, do it again. This is awesome. I'm so excited about this. So this is the Happy Wax Retro Ornament Plug-in Warmer. Happy Wax started at a meeting with a policeman who loved making candles in his free time. During a meeting, he showed his gummy bear shaped melts and Happy Wax began. Happy Wax is the first brand committed to making wax melting fun, easy, and healthy. Their wax warmers are innovative and designed to make wax melting a painless process. Their no-scrape silicone dish allows you to switch between wax scents quickly and effortlessly. Happy Wax has unique warmers designed to fit every taste and style. We hope you love this retro ornament warmer as much as we do. Happy holidays. I do! This is awesome. I can't wait to use it. And again, like, perfect for a December box. Awesome! Oh my god, it's crazy that this time's almost here, but this is a 2020 planner and it has pineapples on it. Can you guys believe it's almost going to be 2020? So crazy. Oh my gosh. So this is both a weekly and a monthly planner. It includes hourly scheduling. Awesome. So inside there's monthly calendars, weekly spreads, a yearly overview, note pages, monthly goals, notes, and reminders. I love how this looks, and I am someone that needs to plan. Like, I'm gonna use this to like plan videos and stuff like that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And look how cute the pages are. There's colors and stuff. This is awesome. I love how there's like a side for notes too. Oh, I'm so excited. And then there's like little checklists. It's like, don't forget, schedule appointments. Like, you know, just says such cute things in there. This is so nice. I'm so excited. I like went all of 2019 without a planner. I somehow didn't get any planners, which is crazy. I got a lot of notebooks and notepads. Like, you should see how many notepads I have. But I'm so excited now that I have a 2020 planner, and then I think it's actually really cute and it's not too bulky. So yeah, I am very happy with this box so far. So this is by TF Publishing. I think I've heard of them. Navy Pineapple 2020 Weekly and Monthly Planner. TF Publishing started in a basement in Indianapolis, Indiana in 1996 and has evolved into one of the most recognized brands in the industry. Today, their team is constantly working on filling the need for organization through calendars, planners, journals, and social stationery. They strive to make getting organized fun, inspirational, and something to look forward to while providing products that appeal to everyone from moms to students to business professionals. TF Publishing operates out of their eco-friendly corporate headquarters, which features a wind turbine and a bioswale full of native plants. Their ultimate goal is to create fun, inspiring, useful products accessible to everyone. Whether you are a taskmaster or need memory triggers, this 12-month planner will fit the bill. This planner boasts monthly 2-page calendar grid overview pages with space to write goals and notes, plus reminders to improve organization and task mastery. Weekly 2-page spreads are lined and segmented for the morning, afternoon, and evening plans each day, plus daily dedicated spots to track mood, activity, meal plans, and weekly goals. This product contains no plastic, goods without guilt. I'm so excited. I'm like, I think time's moving like too fast, but now I'm like, okay, I'm ready for 2020 so I can use my planner. Oh, perfect. We have some wax melts to go with our wax melter. This is Melton Candle Company Country Christmas. 6-ounce mega melt, 100% natural soy. Let's get this open a little bit so you can smell it. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like Christmas. This is like such a perfectly themed box. I love that. Oh, it says right on there, Country Christmas. It smells like Christmas, like a Christmas tree or something. How did I know? I'm a little slow today, I guess. The Melton Company was established and branded in September of 2018, owned and operated by Laura Melton Mathis. The name Melton is actually inspired by her maiden name. When first starting this company, each candle was named after a family member of the Melton family tree. Now they have expanded and have started naming candles after their closest friends and family. Every now and then they hold a giveaway and you can have a candle named after yourself. Cool. Melton candles are created with 100% soy wax and made with cotton wicks. Each candle is hand poured by the owner herself. She takes the time to ensure each candle is absolutely perfect. By using soy wax, they guarantee that the candles are safer for you, your family, and the environment. We are totally feeling the holiday vibes with these amazing melts. Oh my God, yes. I'm like in the Christmas spirit now. And then I think we have one more thing, or two more things. Oh yeah, because there's extra things. There's 6 things, not 5. The 5th item, this is by Rinse Bath & Body Co. 93% natural, vegan-friendly peppermint patty body spread moisturizer. There's a handful of words. Shea butter blended with oils of olive, apricot, and kernel. Thicker than a lotion, but not as thick as a cream, and all-over moisturizer. So that is the label I was reading from. We have several things from this company. They listed a couple things. So there's the 6th item we'll get to. At first when I was reading that sheet, I was like, wait, what? We have several things from this Rinse company. There's a safety seal. Oh my God, it smells exactly like peppermint. You guys, this box is so well coordinated for December. It smells like, seriously, like the Christmas scent, like the tree scent and peppermint, those are like the 2 scents that I totally correlate with Christmas. But anyway, so the peppermint patty body spread, thick, creamy, luxurious, all perfect words to describe Rinse's version of lotion. Blended with shea butter and olive oil, this body spread doesn't lay on the skin thick or heavy, but soaks right in and lasts all day long. The scent, peppermint patty, is cool and sharp with just a little sweetness from the mint. Smells like winter nights, especially good for dry climates in those cold winter months. Awesome. And then the last thing we have from the same company, Rinse Bath & Body Co. handmade in Monroe, Georgia, by the way. 100% natural peppermint. So this is a bath truffle. It says drop a tub truffle in a warm bath, sit back and relax. Enjoy the fizzing and moisturizing. So that was what I was reading from. And it says, this cocoa butter based bath bomb fizzes in your tub as it slowly melts away, conditioning your bath and skin. There's just enough cocoa butter to lightly moisturize the skin. A true peppermint scent from 100% natural peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is known to ease headaches and migraines as well as help the mind focus. And then it gives you tips on how to use, which you already kind of talked about. Draw a warm bath, unwrap and drop your truffle in, and allow the truffle to begin its fizzing. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Yeah, it smells like peppermint. And then there's just a little note here. Tub truffles may leave surfaces slippery, so simply rinse the tub with hot water afterwards. And that's like with any bath bomb type product, so definitely be safe with that. You guys, I think this box was so good. I love when boxes are like go with a theme and everything like correlates with each other. Like this was a perfect box for December. I'm so curious what like the extra item will be. If you guys order this and use my code, will you let me know what your free gift is? Because I would love to know. Like, because everything in here is so good and perfect for December. Like this scarf is so cute and like so necessary in cold climates. I spent most of my life in Chicago. Like right now I'm in Florida. It is getting a little bit cooler, but I will be in Chicago in January and I might even be in New York later this month. So this will definitely come in handy, and it feels really nice and it doesn't seem like it'll be itchy or anything like that, which is sometimes a problem with things like this, but this does not give that feeling at all. You guys saw how excited I was about a planner. Yes, I need to get my life more organized. I've been trying really hard this week. It's like Tuesday, but yeah, I've been trying really hard, so I could totally use something like this. And I'm so excited about this wax melter. I love that it plugs in. It is perfect for December, like with the holiday theme, and I think that is so great that they also gave us wax melts, and this smells like Christmas. It like makes me feel like nostalgic, like being by the Christmas tree. I'm just like so in love with it. And then we got the peppermint scented lotion and the bath truffle. This was really good. I think this might be my favorite month by them. I always am impressed by their boxes, but this I think outshines them all. So this was so good, and I think it's totally worth the money. It's supporting like smaller businesses, and $31.50, I think totally worth it in my opinion. Like I can see here, I don't know the prices of anything else. Like that's one thing that would be nice if they include pricing, but there is pricing listed on this, and this is a $15 planner, so that's like half the price of the box. So I think everything else definitely covers that and then some. So yeah, I love this. I'm keeping it all for myself, but if you guys wanted to gift it, again, they have gifting options. And you can get that free gift, or you can get this for yourself, because I think you'll really enjoy it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm definitely feeling good vibes right now. I hope you are too. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!